Today we are testing out this rod right here. This is a handing rod. Trying out a Handing M1 C731H. And I must say, just right off the bat, guys, this is the lightest rod I've ever held in my life for a heavy rod. Where the reel sits on this rod blank here is a heavy plastic. Very, very, very lightweight. This is the lightest heavy rod I've ever held in my life. And for it to be as affordable as it is, this is amazing. They sent me this rod to do an honest review, and I went out of my way to try to figure out negative aspects on this rod. I can't find them, guys. So far, I cannot find them. It has been awesome. It's light, it's sensitive, it's strong. I've not broken it yet, and trust me, I'm a bull in a china shop, guys. I break stuff easily. I'm excited to do more work on this beautiful handing rod.
They just keep playing.
I saw a fish jump out there. Guys, I got one. I got one. I got something here.
Dad, I got a catfish.
Finally got one. Channel catfish.
Yes, 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 yes.
Go in for the release on this little tiny channel catfish. Let's go. Good job. Oh, look at that. Guys, I got one right off a snag. Right off a snag. Look at that. The sheephead drum. Beautiful fish. There we go. Got one. It's a smallie. Is it? It is a smallie, guys. Yeah. Look at that.
You just said you wanted to catch a smallmouth bass, and now you got one.
Of a lip. Talk about, this is probably one of the coldest smallmouth bass I have ever caught and held. Look at that beautiful colors on this Rock River smallmouth bass. This is what we came out here for, guys. That was the goal. Smallmouth bass, Rock River. Let's go. I got whatever this is.
Wait, you got one?
No, it's a stick or something. Holy crap, guys. Guys, we're here fishing on the Rock River, Illinois, using my brand new Handing fishing rod. One of the most sensitive and lightest rods I have ever used in my life. Tossing a little jig, and I happen to snag this. And this is what I need help with. What in the world is this, guys? What is this? And what does it belong to? We need to know. We need to know. This is a fossil. This is a skeletal jawbone of something here. And then we have these humongous
really
teeth.
Misshapen stick.
Humongous teeth right there, guys. It's been in the river so long, it's really dark colored. What is it? What is it, guys? Let me know. These Handing fishing rods have no problem lifting up anything. Sticks, this is rebar, metal. And then we got jaws like this. Like the Handing fishing rod can handle everything. There we go. There we go.
Oh, can I reel it in? Can I reel it in?
There. Oh, what the hell is this? What is that? No way!
What?
Really cool. This is a baby flathead catfish.
Isn't that the
This
one?
is like 4 or 5 foot.
They say Rock River has flatheads. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Look how pretty that is. What a beautiful spring day. Out here using my HandingFishing Rod, guys. My HandingFishing Rod, you know? Affordable, quality. I mean, I'm talking the lightest heavy rod I've ever thrown in my life, and I wish I can say I'm exaggerating. Without a doubt. I bought a G Loomis heavy rod, guys. This thing is lighter, and it seems more efficient than that. Very good affordability. Out here using my brand new HandingFishing Rod, and we have caught multiple species: catfish, sheephead, smallmouth bass, and now flathead catfish. It's amazing what's happening out here. It's springtime, everything is shallow, so I have an opportunity at many different species and other artifacts and things because I'm in an urban environment. We're out here on the Rock River in Rockford, Illinois. We have caught everything from things like this on our very sensitive HandingFishing Rod. We caught a channel catfish, we caught a flathead catfish, we caught a sheep's head drum, and we caught a smallmouth bass. We caught several logs and sticks. We caught artifacts like this, and we're still going, jigging our heavy handing rod out here. They sent me this rod to do a video for them, and I'm very grateful that I did because this is by far the best heavy rod I have ever owned in my life, the lightest heavy rod I've ever owned in my life. Affordable quality, and that's HandingFishing. Let's go get some more. And buy yourself a handing rod. Amazon.com, look up HandingFishing rods. These things are really good quality for a very low price, guys. You know, people have been ripping you off for many years, these name brands. Handing is doing the same thing that these main brands are doing for half the fraction of the cost, guys. Get out there, buy yourself a handing rod, and catch more fish, and simply just have fun. That's all it is.